Hi, my name is Yashwin Krishna Ramesh Babu, or Yash for short. I'm 12 years old and I'm 7th grade. I was born on August 28, 2009. I would like to enter in this competition because this best fits my personality and interests. What I do in my spare time is listening to music, drawing either with paper or with my computer, playing games with myself or with my family, creating animations, and playing cricket with my friends. I live in a family of 4. And that order is my father, my mother, me, and my younger sister. And I'm the oldest one. The category I chose is mobile apps because I had experience in the past creating them. I play a lot of mobile games, and this best suits my interest for this competition. The software I use is MIT App Inventor because this software is best working, fully functional, and easy to learn. And I used it in the 2019 and 2020 Gazda competition. And this right here is a review. The previous experience I had is when I entered the 2019 Gazda competition. I created an app where you can draw on photos and images. I also entered the 2020 Gazda competition with an app that you can navigate and save locations. But due to the COVID-19 pandemic, I didn't enter the 2021 Gazda competition. For this year, my initial idea is to create a mobile app that can let you play or download karaoke tracks, record your voice and karaoke track at the same time, and save and send it. And this right here is the project timeline. The method I use to create the app is using my design and coding knowledge and previous experience and concepts from my previously created apps. The things I have learned is all the errors and problems from my project that I've experienced while testing on my project on phone. And this is the source where I got the review from. And this right here is the block diagram, layering out the functions. And this right here is the components list. There's accelerometer sensor, TinyDB, player, notifier, sharing, activity starter, and WAV sound recorder. So this is my project, KaraOK. It is designed for music lovers that wanted to record their voice along with the karaoke track and send it to their friends. And I'm going to show you the features. So first up, choose track right here. Opens your downloads folder, and you can pick your downloaded karaoke track from there. So for example, I pick this file. So once you've done that, this play and record button plays the track as well as record your voice. But before that, you see this slider down below? This is the volume slider, and it's very helpful before recording. So if you want more track and less vocals, highest recommended. But if you want more vocal and less track, lowest recommended. And I'm going to use low. But without further ado, let's go. You can never know what it's like. Blood like the winter freeze, just like ice. And there's a cold and lonely light that shines from you. Oh, one number wreck you hide behind that mask you use. So, if you finish recording, you can press the stop recording button, or you can just simply shake it, and it stops. So once you're finished, this save button right here saves your recording. So when you first press it, this pops up, and it tells you to give the recording a unique name. So I'm going to type in, I'm still standing. There we go. And now, this button down below, this list song button opens up a list of your recently saved recordings. And here's mine right here. And you can play it with the play song button.
Never know what it's like, but like the winter breeze, just like ice.
And if you want to stop, just simply press the stop button. And if you want to send this recording to your friends, not to worry. This send button has got you covered. So it goes to WhatsApp and you can share it with your contacts. So, for example, I choose this contact. There you go. Now let's go back. And finally, this help button right here gives you information about the app. So this is the inside of my project, the code block section. And I'm going to show you the main features as well as specifying all the other features. Starting with this play and record one. And what makes this a main feature is because it only has one function. So if the text is equal to play and record, both the player and the sound recorder will start, the text will change to stop recording, and save enabled is false. However, if it doesn't equal play and record, then both programs will stop, the text will not change, and the save enabled will be true. So basically, the then section tells us that both programs will start, the text will change, and the save enabled will be false. In the else section tells us that both programs will stop, the text will not change, and the enable save is true. And here's another main feature. So after you give your recording a unique name, the TinyDB1 stores the value, aka the recording, and adds them to the list, which you can find when you press list song. And this is yet another main feature. So after you selected your recording from the list, from list song, that's it. The TinyDB1 gets called yet again to store the selection, aka the recording, and then set it as the player's source. Now if we zoom out, you'll see other features. Like for the send, stop, what happens when the player is completed, what happens when the phone is shaking, what happens when play song is clicked, choose track, and over here, after you record the sound, after you click save, when the volume slider position is changed, for the song before picking, when the text input canceled, and this right here is the function for the send button. And finally, this is the function for the help button. Thank you.